Sassy. This is Sassy, a 4-month-old. Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie. Sassy, come. Sassy is a 4-month-old pit bull with a humeral fracture, specifically a distal Y fracture of the left humerus, repaired 2 weeks ago. Come here, honey. Come here. And just walk her away from me. There you go. There she is. Come on. And right now, there you go. Good girl. Ambulating with about 75% weight bearing on the left forelimb. There you go. Hey, sweetheart. X-rays revealed moderate callus formation over the fracture repair. She was repaired with a lag screw placement and anti-rotational pin, and she has normal ambulation and full range of motion in her left elbow. Alright, sweetie, that's it. Thank you so much. We're going to be seeing her again in 1 month for follow-up films. But she is healing fine, and as you can see, she is resting normally.